Okay, I'm back. But can you see the clouds? Can you see the clouds? They look like the back of a turtle. It looks like the back of a turtle shell. As a matter of fact, until it got covered, it actually looks like a turtle. Can y'all see it? A turtle. You know what I'm saying? Now, I want to go back to CERN. I want to go back to CERN. Can you see? Do you see the ground? Do you see the ground? Can you see it? Can you see it? All right, let's go over here and let you see what the difference is. I'm going back to CERN. You see the difference in the color of the grass? Do you see it? You see it? See it? Look over here. It looks like it's over there, but it's not. That's just the shade from the trees. And look over here. You see it? You see the difference? And you see the difference in the color of the grass. Looks like, hold on. I know, you know what? I'll do it this evening because it's not really being evident right now. You feel me? I want to go back to CERN though. They want to recreate what man has already created, and I say man because remember God said we were made in the image of him, so therefore we are God. We created the universe. Wow, what is that? I saw some those white birds flying over here. Where is it? Those white birds. There's the sun, y'all. Can y'all see the difference in the way it looks? I don't know where it went, but it's like man wants to be in control and be God for real. Shit. Not as a whole, the whole 8 billion of us, but as maybe shit. How many scientists is it?